When was the last time you sat down to doodle and draw? For me, it had been a minute. Thankfully, Crayola sent me 3 packages of their awesome markers, and I'm going to show you how I made these really bright and happy bookmarks. Mix and match the markers and colors on cardstock to create all these different patterns that we're going to cut up to use on our bookmarks later. Create close-knit designs and have an array of colors. They'll come in handy. I like the Color-Change markers because of the surprise factor, and the Fine Point Doodle Markers because you can use them on a variety of surfaces. The Crayola Dual-Ended Doodle Markers are nice because they have a chisel tip on one end and a brush tip on the other. And being a left-hander, I'm so happy that these are quick-dry markers. Now for the designs, you could use a die cut machine or cut them out by hand. I did both. I outlined everything with the black marker, and then you can use foam tape or double-sided adhesive to layer all of these pieces on your bookmark. If you don't want to use foam tape, just use a glue stick, and don't forget to punch a hole at the top and add a ribbon. This is an easy craft for all skill levels, and who doesn't love a nice bookmark?